What's for breakfast, Leo? What are you eating?
Banana.
Banana. And? What else? Banana. And? What's on your tray? What's on your tray?
Apple.
Isabel. Are you thinking about Isabel? What's this? What's this?
Oh.
O's, that's right. What's on the fridge? What's that a picture of on the fridge? What is that a picture of? Hmm? What is it? What's this a picture of right here? Airplane. And what's this? Bicycle. And what's this? Do you remember? It's not a very good drawing. What's this one? What's this guy? What's he wearing? A hat. And what's this? What is this? You don't know? What is that? Daddy drew that. What is that? An airplane. But what's this one? You don't know? It's a turtle. That's right. Good job. Who's on the ground over there?
Baby.
A baby? Who's that? It's not a baby. Raccoon. 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 That's right. That's a raccoon too. Two raccoons. Nice work. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Turning off the movie. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.